Lot number 130 is a 2015 Chevy Tahoe police package vehicle. This one has collision damage to the passenger side front corner. It took a hard hit. It's got damage to the fender, the grille, the headlight, front bumper, passenger door, and hood. All damage from the accident. Now, it's being sold mechanical conditions unknown. I tried getting power to here, and it's missing the positive battery terminal. And I tried putting all these cables together and jump starting it with my jump box. No power reaches the dashboard. I can't get anything to happen in there, so true miles are unknown. It does have another battery here. I applied power to this one, and still no power reaching inside. So it may have an emergency cutoff switch, or there may be something unplugged or missing. I don't know. It's being sold as is. Mechanical conditions are unknown. This engine appears to be fine. I don't think this one was affected by the accident. We'll check the dipstick here, make sure it still has oil in it. There's oil in there. Again, I don't think this engine was affected by the accident. So this one may still be good for repair, or it would be a great parts vehicle. Unknown if there's damage to the axle. Very hard to see in here. It may be fine, but I'd rather call it broken. It's definitely bent. All right, let me show you the rest of the vehicle. Driver's side has damage to the front fender, right there. Headlight looks savable. The other three rims and tires look fine. It's been out of service for a year. They may have flat spots, they may be dry rotted, but they all hold air except the blown one on the passenger side. Both driver's side doors look good. You see the lines here all lined up nice. Minor dents on the rear quarter panel. Liftgate has drilled holes from emergency lights that have been removed. It's got a full-size tow hitch. I can't open the liftgate because there's no power reaching it. Here's the passenger side. Looks nice and straight. The rear door looks good. The passenger door has minor damage. I can't really see the damage, but it's buried under the fender here. So it doesn't open, and it probably has some dents right there. So that door does not open. I'll show you the interior, what I can see from here. It looks like none of the airbags deployed. Steering wheel, dashboard, passenger curtain, none of the airbags deployed. Interior looks good. Passenger seat looks good. All the door panels are in place. They all appear to be in good shape. The dashboard is not cracked. The driver's seat is torn, and the rubber mat on the floor is torn. Other than that, I think I did see the headliner's also torn. Yeah, headliner's torn right there. Other than that, there's no other real visible damage in here. The door panels look good. It's got the plastic rear seat, which is cracked. This door panel looks good. This one is savable, in my opinion. What do I know? Could be a good parts car. Could be a good one to repair. It's a 2015 sold as is. Mechanical conditions are unknown. True miles are unknown. And title transfer is a must. It's lot number 130. Good luck.